negeri Sarawak. Okay. Jadi saya akan teruskan dengan slide yang berikutnya. Okay. So yang ini adalah pengenalan tentang latihan Edubit dan juga kit projek untuk Microbit. Okay, untuk guru-guru dan pelajar-pelajar yang kali pertama mengenali tentang latihan Edubit, jadi saya akan perkenalkan sedikit tentang paparan elemen Edubit seperti ini. Ya. Sebenarnya Edubit ini adalah direka khas untuk menggalakkan kanak-kanak ataupun guru juga untuk menerokai STEAM dan belajar perekodan. Okey, dalam buku ini ia disertakan dengan 10 tambah 1 pelajaran secara kreatif untuk memperkenalkan asas pengaturcaraan. Okey, yang ini nanti saya akan maklum bersama dengan buku itu. Okey, dalam buku itu setiap bab yang cikgu akan dapati dia mengandungi permainan kanak-kanak, dia ada rock paper scissors game dan juga ada snake and ladders game, twister dan Simon Say. So kalau cikgu sudah dapat Edubit Kicks ini, cikgu boleh menerokai permainan yang ada dalam buku dalam Kicks itu. Okey. Jadi kalau cikgu rujuk kepada buku pantuan yang diberikan, didapati bahawa dia ada bantuan yang diberikan di mana bantuan dari segi langkah demi langkah untuk membina permainan yang seronok kepada rakan-rakan. So ini adalah serba sedikit tentang Edubit. Okey. Nah, seterusnya saya nak paparkan yang alat-alat untuk Edubit. Okey. Jadi izinkan saya balik semula ke skrin. Sekejap. Alright, okay. Jadi saya mungkin akan tunjukkan bahan-bahan yang ada dalam Edubit. Okay, so pertama sekali ialah saya nak tunjukkan ini adalah bahan Kicks Edubit. Dalam Edubit itu mengandungi papan Edubit seperti ini. Okay, cikgu boleh nampak kan? Okay, Edubit ini. Alright, okay, jadi saya akan sekejap cikgu saya akan sambung. Okey, jadi ini adalah satu set papan di mana cikgu boleh tahu ini adalah komponen, nanti saya akan jelaskan. Okey, selain daripada itu, cikgu dalam Kicks itu, cikgu juga dibekalkan tentang kad untuk permainan dan juga yang ini adalah untuk snake dan ladder game dan juga ini adalah untuk server motor, server motor game yang nanti sesuai untuk budak-budak lah yang suka bermain bola. Okey, dan ini adalah snake ladder game. So ini juga buku pantuan. Ini adalah buku pantuan yang ada dalam kickbox itu. Okey, seperti saya nyatakan bahawa dalam buku itu dia mengandungi 11 bahagian lesson di mana cikgu boleh dan pelajar-pelajar boleh belajar daripada situ. Okey, itu adalah serba sedikit tentang untuk Edubit. Okey, ya. So saya akan teruskan kepada slide saya. Okay. So itu adalah sedikit perkenalan kepada bahagian komponen Edubit. Okey, lepas tu saya akan beralih kepada komponen yang selanjutnya iaitu papan Edubit. Okey, dalam paparan ini cikgu boleh nampak ini adalah elemen-elemen. Pertama sekali ialah dia dibekalkan 2 USB power dan data kabel dan ini adalah Microbit. Okey, right. So sebelah kanan cikgu boleh nampak ini adalah 3X server motor dan di bawah ada 2X PC motor. Okay, dan bawah sekali cikgu boleh nampak ada 4 digital I/O value indicator. Okay, seperti ditandakan di sini. Okey, jadi di bawah sebelah kanan yang akhir sekali cikgu akan nampak satu butang berwarna kuning dan juga butang berwarna biru. Sebenarnya ini adalah buttonnya yang kita masuk butang A, butang B. Okay. Dan sebelah kiri kepada butang tersebut, cikgu nampak ada 3 jenis warna yang LED, iaitu kita namakan sebagai 3x large LED ya. Alright. Dan di sebelah kiri LED itu, cikgu akan nampak lagi 4 warna, iaitu pin 0123. Sebenarnya ini adalah RGB LEDX. RGB, R maksudnya adalah red, maksudnya merah. G green dan B adalah blue, adalah biru. So dia akan namakan RGB LEDs. Tapi dia ada 4. Alright. Okay, sebelah kirinya adalah infrared sensor. Okay, jadi itu adalah sensor, dan sebelah dia adalah potential meter, dan sebelah itu adalah mikrofon yang di mana kita dapat menjana suara. Alright. Okay, dan sebelah kiri yang akhir sekali ialah piezo buzzer dan audio Z, yang di mana kita dapat dengar music daripada sini. Alright. Now, sebelah sini adalah 7 modul break off. Ini maksudnya yang di mana dia ada titik yang terputus-putus itu, ini bermaksud bahawa yang pecahan dalam paparan microbit ini dia boleh dipecahkan secara kecil-kecilan untuk kita menyediakan projek. Alright, seperti kata break off to build the project. Alright. Now, sebelah atas kiri itu, cikgu boleh nampak ada 3 lagi macam contohnya papan. So yang ini kita panggil analog I/O value indicator. Alright. Okay, atas sekali ialah 12C interface, dan di mana sebelah atas ni cikgu nampak ini sebenarnya adalah butang switch on dan switch off. Okay, kalau kita nak mula, kita on and off. Okay, dan akhir sekali adalah low and over voltage indicator. So ini adalah sedikit sebanyak tentang komponen yang untuk kita ketahui pada petang ini. Okey, dan di sini saya akan perkenalkan tentang komponen LED. Tadi kalau cikgu nampak ataupun di sini kita ada 3 pin, iaitu pin 14, 15, 16. Alright, so yang ini kita panggil diode pemancar cahaya, iaitu peranti semikonduktor keadaan pepejal yang boleh ditukar terus kepada elektrik untuk menjana cahaya untuk menyala lampu tersebut. Jadi kalau cikgu lihat gambar tersebut, dia terdiri daripada 3 jenis warna, iaitu warna merah, warna kuning dan warna hijau. Sebab itu kita namakan komponen LED ini sebagai komponen traffic light. Okay, seperti aktiviti dalam traffic light nanti. Okay, di dalam itu cikgu akan nampak satu huruf yang mana GND, maksud itu ground slot. Pada microelektrik dimasukkan ke dalam GND untuk menjana ulangan sama-sama. Maksudnya kita boleh jana ulangan, bukan stop pada satu kali. Alright. So untuk kita tetapkan untuk digital, kalau kita tetapkan voltage yang tinggi, biasanya kita namakan digital 1 lah kepada P14, dan kita hidupkan dalam LED merah dihidupkan. Ini adalah contoh lah. Alright. Dan lepas tu kalau kita nak tetapkan voltage rendah, dan kita akan ubah digital kepada 0, dan litar itu akan dimatikan dan LED memang akan malap. Okay, so itu adalah sedikit tentang komponen untuk LED di mana kami petang ini kami akan tetapkan kepada aktiviti tersebut. Alright, okay, so di sini adalah ini adalah komponen growth Wi-Fi F266 IoT. Alright, so this modul ini sebenarnya direka adalah untuk membolehkan microbit untuk menghantar dan menerima data melalui internet, melalui rangkaian Wi-Fi. So saya rasa petang ini saya Mr. Encik Vincent dia akan menjelaskan bagaimana menyambung ataupun install untuk yang Wi-Fi 8266 ini. Okay, so Mr. Vincent, would you mind to share how to use this Growth Wi-Fi 8266 using the code?
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Okay, I'm stop sharing. Yeah, okay,
All right.
thank you.
Okay. All right, thank you. All right, so I'm just going to show you all on how are we going to do the, okay, just give me a moment. I'm going to share my screens. Okay, so I hope you'll be able to show, is it? I'm not sure whether you're looking at my right screen. Let's try again. Okay. Okay, can you be able to see my macro editor? Yeah, I hope that you're able to see. Okay. Okay, so for this, you will need extensions for ESP at 266. All right, so you just need to download these extensions. Okay, once you download these extensions, then you'll be able to use the blocks of the ESP at 266 Wi-Fi. Okay, so as usual, we need to do initiations for the components that we want to use. And in this case, is ESP at 266. And we just need to initiate. Okay, let's say, for example, if on these Regabits, all right? So this is the Regabits, all right? That are having the ports that we have now is maybe we can try to use the port 0 and 1, P0 and P1. Okay, so we just drag the initiates ports to starts, and then you need to change this. All right, okay, so P0s, it will be you need to see the color. Okay, follow the colors. So the white one is TX. Okay, so the cables, you need to make sure that it is connect properly. Okay, so in this case, P0 and P1. Okay, and then the next one, you will need for the net times. Then we can need to connect the password first. All right. Okay, so this password Wi-Fi passwords is the password that we are going to use. Depend on the devices that you have. Let's say if your router password and Wi-Fi's, in this case, I just use my phone to create a hotspot. Okay, and then I will name my hotspot the Wi-Fi hotspot as let's see. Okay, I create one with SSID is Wi-Fi. The password is just put all capital password. And once you power on, then it will search for these particular SSID and the passwords. Okay, so we need to use conditions, right? Get the conditions, the logic blocks, conditioners, logic blocks. So if let's say the Wi-Fi is connected, you just put it here. So on start, you will run this code from the top to the bottom. And once it detects Wi-Fi is connected already, then maybe you just show one icons to show that, to let you know that, okay, the internet is connected. Okay, if else, okay, this is just a indication to let you know that, oh, your Wi-Fi is connected. All right. Then you can do the time zones. Let's say you want to do internet times, right? Okay, what are the time zones? Okay, for ours, time zone is, okay, 8. Right. So now you get another logic blocks. Okay. So once the internet time is initiated, so it will show. Okay, let's do something like smiley face. Okay, you can put a date also can. Okay, yeah, you can just put a date just to show that, okay, it's already initial time. Then cross is showing that it's not. Okay. All right. So, but then again, you can always choose any icon that you like. Okay. Maybe you can put, let's say, should you put this one and this one? Okay. So this icon means that the internet time successfully initiates. All right. And then else otherwise. Okay. After that, you just do a clear screen. Okay, now we need to update the internet times. Okay, just create and forever. Okay. And again, just drag the if else logics. Okay. On this, we are going to do if else logics. Okay. And then we are using a nested if method for this purpose. Okay. All right. So after you do this, get the internet time again and go for the internet time updated. Okay, internet time updated. So if it's already updated, then you use if else logics. Okay, and then get the comparisons. Okay, now you set make the variables. Okay, you can search the block that you need. Just type join. Okay, so they will join these two words together. Okay. Okay, so after that, get another if else logic. Okay. And another variables. Okay, so our 12 choose. If you want 24, then you just maintain 24. If not, then you can just use the math operations to do the calculations or the format that you want. Okay. Then go to the math operations. Okay, so it will show the time, the hour 12, and the minutes text here. Okay, so you convert the minutes text here. Okay, then we do a short string. Get the time text. Okay, Okay. And this one is for the indication showing that it's not working. So if internet time is updated, then it will run this code. Okay, we'll do the counting of the minutes. Okay, and then during the hours. Okay. So this you can try it out, but you will need to do the get the ESP, the modules that you needed. Okay, ESP at 266. Okay, so you will need that components. Once you got that, then you can try this out on your Microbits. Okay, so I will do this, share this codes. Okay, so I will put the links at the below descriptions, so you can get the links of this at the below descriptions. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. So if you have any questions, you can always leave your comments below, and we'll get back to you. Okay, so I will pass the time back to Madam Lau. Okay, I will stop sharing my screen, and then maybe Madam Lau can take over my screens.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Vincent, for sharing. Okay, so I will continue for the next one. Hold on, let me share screen. Okay, all right, so let me proceed for the next. Okay, just now I have introduced the kicks for EduBig. So let me introduce the kicks for ZoomBig. Okay, this is a kick for ZoomBig. All right, so I think from the picture you can see, because the boxes that we got here, actually we have unpacked, and then we are actually packed up as a robot car. So that's why I can't show you the box. Okay, so all these items, actually you can get it from the boxes, right? Okay, so what is all these items? Okay, maybe I can just roughly let you know the item for this one. All right. Okay, so first of all, you can see the black color round color things, that is the roda. Ini adalah roda untuk robotik. Ini adalah untuk bateri. Dan yang ini adalah kita panggil sebagai DC model. Okay, DC model. Alright. Okay, dan di sini adalah yang ini kita panggil ini sebagai jumper. If I not mistaken, this is a jump. Is it a jumper?
Yeah, jumper wire.
Jumper wire. All right, and this is the connection wire to our Microbit, and also our charger to our PC. Okay, this is the battery cases. We also they provided the screw and with all the pin for you all to install using the pin. All right. Okay, so inside this packet is actually we call it a Microbit. Okay, later on we can see what is the Microbit. And the other one is Microline. This is inside the small one is actually called as a Microline sensor. All right. Okay. So basically, and this is the guidance book. Okay. So you can refer all the lesson in the ZoomBit. Okay. Okay. This is roughly the component for the ZoomBit. And for all the teachers and students, you need to install using all the elements given. All right. Okay. Now, okay, I think just now I already introduced, then you can also refer the component ZoomBit, which is shown in the kicks here. All right. Now, next, okay, when you open the box, okay, you can see inside the boxes, actually there is a lot of label, and you don't need to worry that you don't know how to install, because the guidebooks and also the label here actually can show you a very good direction how to install all these components. You might take time to to install it, because sometimes you need to see very carefully, especially when you connect the pin. All right. Okay, so when I connect this component zoom bit, I found the difficulty is especially is for this DC motors, because the wire actually is a bit short. So you have to find a ways how to connect it. Okay. All right. Now, next one, this is about the maker line. Just I mentioned it was in the packet, is in blue color. So the features is actually is a sensor for beginner auto calibrations. We got line detection LED. Actually, it can to detect the LED indicator, and also be used for the dark and light line color selectors. All right. Okay. Now we have two more items. That is, this one is the servo, right? Another one is called as DC motor, okay, to control the rotor. We call it as a right. Now. Okay, so I think we can move on to our next session, that is how we register to Microbit. Okay, so as you know that we have a link that you can enroll, that is https://medcode.microbit.org. Yeah? Okay, let me show you the original screen. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah, can. Can see the browser.
Where is the browser? Okay, never mind, I just put it here. Okay, now, so for the first time we log into the Microbit, you can log into https://make code, okay, also .microbit.org. Okay, so you can see the screen as it is. All right, now, so for any project that you would like to register, so please do click new project. Click pada new project. So enter the project name. For example, this is my first project. I name it as activity 1. So I put it as activity 1. Or if I have a name, let's say the first activity I would like to do is to say hello. So I just put a note, say hello. Okay, so this is our first activity. So click create. All right, okay. Now you will see I don't know how to hide this one. Hold on. Okay, now, so this is the interface of the Microbit screen. Okay, so here you will see there's a Microbit. Okay, so anytime when you want to open a new file, so just click the Microbit, it will turn into the new folder. Okay, so this is the blocks, right? And also they're also having the JavaScript, Python is all here, right? Yeah, here. Now this is our home, and this is a sharing screen. Okay, you can share your project to the other person. Okay, you can say you can share your project if you want. Okay, now, so the other side, this is a setting. Okay, so when you click setting, there is all the items you can see from here. Let's say you want to find the extensions, or if you want to do the project setting, connect device, and if you want to print your project, or also if you want to delete your project, even you can choose the language from here. Okay, so you can always prefer here for the any additional info. All right, okay. So now let's refer to the bottom part. Okay, so here will be icon for download. So every time when you complete this block that use the setting block, you always have to click download for you to connect to the Microbit in our tools, the Edubit. Okay, now here you can on your right hand side there is the file name that you key just now. Just now I key in say hello, so it will always be showing here. And if you want to save it, you always can click save. Okay, and this is we call this hubs. It's a GitHub repository, right? And here you can see the arrow. There is a backward key. We call it as anti-clockwise. You turn the anti-clockwise way, and then this is a turn right. Okay, and this is to minimize. Let's say I click. Let's say I would like to minimize this icon. I just click minimize it, and it will getting getting smaller. Okay, but if I want to enlarge it, so I can press the enlarge key, so it will be getting large. It's easier for the audience to see clearly. All right. Okay. Now, so basically this is the icon. Now let us go back to our main screen here. Okay, this is we call it Microbit. Okay, Microbit. Whatever setting that you have played, it will be showing here lah. All right. Okay. Now this is to stop the simulator. Sometimes when you use the forever key, it will keep on repeating your words. Then if you want to stop, you can stop it. All right. Okay. Now, so this one is to restart the simulator. Let's say you have done your word half done and you would like to restart. Okay. They always can press this key. All right. Now, so this one is toggle debug mode. This one will be learned later lah. Okay, now so this is the mute audio. All right, sometimes we got sound or something, and this is to enlarge. Okay, launch in full screen. If I click this one, you can see in full screen. Right, so this is basically the features of the Microbit. And let's say I want to hide this Microbit, and you can actually click this arrow key. When you click this key, then the Microbit has been hiding, then you only can see the screen of the coding. All right, so if you want to see the Microbit, you always can press using the left and right key here. Okay, basically this is the this is all the recordings plot that we going to use to fill in the coding here. So later on we will go. Let's say if I want to see what is the basic code block, then we can actually click the basic. We can see, this is all the show number, show LED, show icon, string, and so on. So you always can refer to it. All right. Okay. Basically, this is input info here, right? And music, LED, okay, and radio, and so on. All right. So okay, later on we will go through it one by one after we having a exercise. Okay, so I think this is basically the interface of our Microbit paparan. Okay, now so today we're going to start our first session. This is our first topic, hello world. Maksudnya sekarang adalah kita nak bercakap sesuatu dan kita nak paparkan sesuatu maklumat. How we're going to do it? Normally it's like we're using on start. Okay, this on start means only happen one time. Okay, compare with the forever block here. Actually, forever is repeating and repeating. So let us try. Okay, let's say I try to input something like, for example, I would say show string hello. Okay, so I just take up. Okay, I can drag up and then I put into the start here. So I just click hello. Do you see it's already show on the Microbit screen? Okay, say hello. Okay, and you always can change the name. I don't want to use hello, so I can change a hi. I am let's say my name is I am Kita. So okay, so when you click when you change the name, so the screen also will change the info as what your input. Okay, you see here? All right, now, so after showing this, they will stop. They will not be repeating again because it's only show one time. Okay, what happens if I put the show string into forever? Okay, let us see the screen. Okay. Okay, you see, it repeat again. All right, so that is the difference between on start and forever. All right, okay, so the beginning is, let us do something like, okay, first of all, I would like to introduce. Then after that, I would like to show something. Maybe I want to show I want to show icon. All right, so I can include the icon. What is inside the icon? You can see the arrow key here. Just click the arrow key. You will see there is many icon you can choose from here. All right, so okay, let's say you want to choose the big heart. Okay, now this is a big heart, and later on you want to show the small heart. You also you can change, but before change, you can actually duplicate. That means that I want to insert another icon. So there's two ways. Either you go to basic and then you can drag the show string, sorry, not show string, click the basic, okay, show icon again, right? There's one way. Okay, another way is you can use a duplicate key. Okay, for example, I just right click and you can click duplicate, and also you can insert into the on start. Okay, now let us see what's happening. Okay, let's say the first icon I show small heart, then a second icon big heart. Then I change this one to 7, for example. All right, then you can see the stimulator how it shows. Okay, you see, small 7. All right, that's it. All right. Okay, now this is the first step. Okay. Now, so how are you going to transfer the this, we call this is a microbit, to our stimulator, which is in our EduBit kits. All right. Okay, so next step, if you want to transfer, first thing is you need to connect. Okay, you need to connect your this microbit, okay, to your PC. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm stopped. I try to back to our screen for a while. Vincent, would you mind can show me how to use the camera to see the can or not?
To see which one?
Yeah. You have the camera on it to see.
Okay, can. Give me a moment.
How to switch on this? Hold on, okay. Can see. Let me check.
Video. There's a control panel. There's no control panel.
Okay, I close. I stop the sharing for one. Stop the sharing. Okay. Never mind. The video. Okay. Now you can see the microbit. Okay. Never mind. Cannot see.
Yeah, on my side with me.
Okay. Because the connection to the camera is a big problem. So I'm going to show you the real one as what you can see from here. All right. Okay. So this is the bit that you need to connect it to. This is to connect to the wire for your PC. Okay. Another wire is connect to your microbit. Okay. Here. All right. So then you can programming it. All right. Hold on. Back to the screen. All right, so teachers, next, what you do is you have to connect it. You have to click download before you can see what is in the microbit. Okay, so you click download. Okay, so when you click download, there was a message pop up. Okay, mentioned that your code is being downloaded as a .hex file. You can drag this file to your microbit using your computer. All right, please just click done. Okay, so they will be transfer the file to a folder named Microsoft D. Okay, so you go to search in your folder, they will be showing Microsoft Big D. Yeah? This is the folder. So whatever info they will transfer here. Okay, right. Okay, so next, we're going to click the download again. Okay, when you say download completed, so then you click done. Okay, make sure you switch on you have to switch on the microbit. Okay, then you can see. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to share with you what I can see here. Yeah. Okay, can you see? Sorry. So this is what actually what the input that you have been setting in the screen that it will show on the bit, right? But make sure you have to click download it. All right. Okay, so this is the first part. Okay, next. Okay, so next one I'm going to show with you is the forever button. Okay, just now we try the on step. Okay, okay, if you want to take out this, actually you can drag out like this. You can drag out, and if you want to throw away the block that you don't want, actually there are two ways. One is you just throw into the all the blocks here. Okay, another way is for you to delete. Actually, you can actually right click here, right click, and then that you can delete blocks. Okay, so the blocks will be automatically deleted. Okay, there are two ways for you to delete the blocks. All right. Okay, now so I want to share with you another icon for the beside the basic, beside the on start, there is another is forever. Okay, forever is for the repeating. For example, I would like to use this icon. This is called show LEDs. Okay, icon. So I can just insert into the forever, and I can create any design using the show LED. For example, if I want to share, I want to create V LED or whatever the design that you want to create. All right, so later on you can see it will show on the screen. Okay, and repeat again, right? Okay, so that is a show screen. And one more thing that I would like to show is the number. Okay, so this number actually, if you any number that you key in, you will also should show on the screen. For example, I key in 9. Okay, 9. So they also will showing on the stipulator. Okay, you see that? All right. So that is basically about the basic. Okay. All right. So and then this is the topic 1, which is hello world. All right. Okay. So okay, now let me try for next activity. Let me go back to our next slide. Okay, so this is done. Then wait. All right. So I think this one I have been done it. So next, this is the make code. Okay. The first one we have to do it already. Okay. Okay. This is the heartbeat. Just now we already show. And this is called the aliran kerja code. All right. So jadi adalah okay, menerokai lebih banyak plot. Just now I forgot to show you what is this post mean. Okay, I go back again to the main screen just now. All right, so here we have the post icon. Okay, what is the useful for this post icon? Actually, sometimes we want the job to have a break. Okay, I just try to create one more thing. For example, I try to use forever. Okay, and then I try to insert icon. Okay, big heart, and I repeat again for the next icon, maybe for the small heart. All right, now, so I want to break for a while. So I need to use the icon for pause. It means that I break for a while. Okay, so let me try to explain to you in the pause here. This is ms. The ms mean is a millisecond. So what does it mean? So when you click this button, when you say 100 millisecond, actually is a very fast one. Okay, very fast. So what about the 1 second? 1 second actually is equivalent to 1000 milliseconds. So you can see what is the you can imagine how fast is for 100 milliseconds. Okay, so you can choose what are the times that you like to stop, right? Okay, by clicking here. And you also can type by yourself. For example, the maximum here you can see 5 seconds, but let's say you want a 10 seconds, so just multiply by 1000. So you can just key in the numbers that you want. All right. Okay, so that is about this. basic icon for this. All right, now next, let's move on to the next one.
Okay, Madam Lau,
Yes.
we are now 5 minutes left. We are left 5 minutes. So for the time,
okay.
Yeah.
So means
maybe
that
we
do I need to
can-
stop here, or do I need to continue?
We can wrap up. Like, then we can continue on the next series lah.
Okay, no problem. Okay,
Yeah.
so basically, I just want to tell that this is the first one lah. Let's do for the first introduction lah. Okay, so the next one is actually for the audience. You can try on yourself lah. Okay, you see that as tugasan. All right. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Vincent.
Okay, thank you so much, Madam Lau, for your time. And it's very detailed guide on how are we going to use this Microbit as a platform to learn coding in a fun way. Okay, so just really appreciate your time here, and also say thank you to Pustaka Negeri Sarawak for giving us these opportunities to share knowledge, and also to be able to just get the chance to let more people to know that microbits and how we can use the microbit to do a lot of things, not just learn the programming language, but then we can also use it to do some innovative projects. Especially we can use all the components and kits that is available to do our innovative projects. So we welcome Dr. Madam Lau to be able to kickstart this series, and I hope that in futures we can have more opportunities to have Madam Lau with us again, and then we can be able to bring robotic encodings to the masses. That will be our goals, right? So I will pass the time back to Fiona. So if this session is end already lah, and I thank you for everyone to join us. So thank you, everyone.
Yes, thank you, Vincent, and everyone.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we are no more live, right? Okay, thank you, Fiona. We can leave now, right?
Indah megah menjadi kebanggaan kita, bukti wawasan dicita, maklumat dan pengetahuan, penuh terhimpun harta ilmu untuk kita terokan. Pustaka Negeri Sarawak, wadah ilmu untuk semua, bersama kita manfaatkannya. Pustaka Negeri Sarawak, berteknologi dan berusaha, berkhidmat ikhlas untuk kita. Pustaka Negeri Sarawak. Tersergam indah megah menjadi kebanggaan kita, bukti wawasan dicita, maklumat dan pengetahuan, penuh terhimpun harta ilmu untuk kita taruhkan. Pustaka Negeri Sarawak, wadah ilmu untuk semua, bersama kita manfaatkannya. Pustaka Negeri Sarawak, teknologi dan berusaha, berkhidmat ikhlas untuk kita. Pustaka Negeri Sarawak.